Hey guys, so today I have for you a crossover between Sandy and Android 18. Now, to be honest with you guys, I did struggle making a decision as to who I was going to cross Sandy with. There are quite a few different DBZ characters that I was considering. I was looking at Bulma. I was looking at Android 18, Caulifla, and a few other minor characters in the series. Just trying to figure out personalities and things like that, and what I wanted to do. But I ended up deciding with Android 18 for a few reasons. One, she has a very iconic outfit that I think a lot of people would recognize. And she also has a very different personality, I think, than Sandy. She is very tough. Not that Sandy's not tough, but she is a lot more intimidating than the character Sandy. So this is why I ended up going with Android 18. And to be honest with you guys, I don't generally draw a lot of women characters. It's just I don't know why. It's just a lot of main characters in anime and stuff like that, cartoons, and even growing up, they're all guys. So that's kind of what I've drawn for most of the time. So when I have to draw women, I get nervous because I'm just not as familiar with the anatomy and the shapes. It's very different when you're drawing a female character versus a male character. There's a lot more softer lines. You gotta look at the composition of the character and make sure that it's fitting. So in this case, I left the head for last because I hadn't quite decided which way I was gonna go, whether I was gonna be using mainly Sandy as the base and then adding on some Android 18 or vice versa. So I think in this one, it really goes into a cross where I do take a lot of Sandy, but I also take Sandy's composition a little bit. I take more of a humanoid perspective on this one, and then I add on a lot of the Android 18 things to it. Like, for example, the eyes are a little bit more slanted. She has a little bit more of an intimidating look to her, etc. But yeah, man, I hope that you guys enjoy this one. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'm hoping that you guys like it, but just let me know what you think. I'll let the rest of this play out a bit, and I'll join you guys right at the end here. right, so here are the lines, the colors, and this is the final sandy drawing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Please share and subscribe.